Yo, what up? What is good? What's going on? Of course, welcome back to another video. I forgot the day. It is shit. Yeah, 163. Today's day 163 of my NoFap journey, man. So I enjoyed today. It was my off day. First day of my daughter's spring break. Luckily, got all her schoolwork done, so she's good for the rest of the break, which has me excited because that's less work for me and her mother to worry about for sure. And then of course, so yeah, like we didn't even realize it, but like the little party we got planned is next Saturday, so that's, a nice little way for the kids to close out spring break. Hopefully all the kids can make it, only because like I said, it'll make for a nice turnout. It's something to do because with COVID and everything else, I doubt a lot of people have like a bunch of plans, but either way, it'll at least be fun and we'll have a good time. Now, all right, so regarding NoFap, like I'm kind of running out of shit to go over. Like at least, like I realize not every day I'm gonna have like these profound things to say and shit, but it's like, just keeping this as like my diary, my journal entry for the day. It's like, okay, like what did I go through today? And yeah, man, like today was just dope. Like it was just nothing dramatic. And to be honest, even if something dramatic happened, I'm in such a space to where it doesn't affect me the same, as it used to. Like before I'd be all panicked, I'd be all upset, like, yeah man, yo, my whole day was fucked up. How can I say my whole day was fucked up when the moment itself, even if the moment itself lasted an hour, I still had 23 hours without that drama, without that nonsense, you feel me, without that negativity. I love these shits. But and even if it was something that challenged me and or pushed me, I'm in a better space to where I perceive those moments to say, okay, there's something I need to learn from this moment. There's something I need to learn from this experience. What haven't I learned yet? Especially if I feel like it's something that's recurring, or okay, like what is this? What does this mean? Towards my growth. Like what challenge am I to overcome through this? And so yeah, it's like it keeps, and I don't know, like it keeps me exciting because lately, or I would say definitely while being on this journey, and again, I can't speak for everybody, but I know for me, I've become even more involved with just wanting to learn more. There's like this childlike excitement of me learning of this, of being this man, like I'm excited to like, damn, like how will I handle these situations moving forward? Who am I becoming? How, like, am I still walking in my purpose? Or if there's a detour, okay, how will I get through this to continue to be on my purpose? And there's just such an excitement for learning and development. Even now, like, again, I'm not going to keep this one long, but even now, I'm about to hop on some more Forex training. And I'm gonna be honest, I had a really great week. Like, I took trades on my own. I hit 120 pips this week. That's good. Listen, once you learn what a pip is, and I kid you not, I caught all these pips on one pair. That's it. Like I'm not gonna overexert myself. I'm not gonna try to study every single major. I'm not gonna try to study every single Forex cross or minor. I'm not gonna try to study all the indices and the metals and every crypto. Nah. I got one pair. I mark it up. Now I'm gonna be honest, I mostly trade off of support and resistance. I'm still working on my trend lines and price channels. Well, at least trend lines help because I caught yesterday a 40 pip move off of RSI divergence. So just look it up. But long story short, the candlesticks were going up. They were bullish. All right. I had a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. The RSI showed me it went from a higher high to a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And I marked each trend line. So when the RSI is going like this, the chart going like that, guess what it did? It dropped. Now the whole move went about 50 pips, just about. But I got out right around 40 pips. Well, when I closed it dropped a little bit more, so it was like 38 pips. But either way, that was just one of my trades. I had another trade hit 30 plus pips, had another trade hit 20 plus, and I was just literally just watching it do its thing within my zones. But of course, I'm learning more about candlestick patterns and things like that. So when I see a certain pattern at a support or resistance, that's the best entry to get. Like, that's the best time to enter the fucking market, yo. Literally, like when your markups are good, and of course I take my trades on the 1 hour. I don't get me wrong, I know the profitability and the excitement of scalping, but I'm kind of over the anxiety that comes with trading. So for me, I trade on the 1 hour. That's it. I get my support resistance off the weekly. I check other zones on the daily. And then, and also too, there might be some hot spots on the 4 hour, and then I get my entry on the 1 hour, and that's it. Cause it's listen, trust me. First of all, you'll catch better momentum in market structure off the 1 hour and up, anyways, as opposed to the 30, 15, and 5. And do not go to the 1 minute, my God, because every candlestick moves at that time frame. So I'd rather look at a 1 hour time frame, see what it's really doing, and then come back and check in like an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. They ain't nothing but 1 candle, 2 candles, 3 candles. Whereas if I'm all the way down on the 10 minute, 1 hour, that's fucking 6 different candles, and I could be getting a false read. I could be looking at a pattern. Oh no, it's doing this, it's doing that, and it's just on some bullshit. But the real structure is on the bigger time frame for sure. You feel me? So trading on at least the 1 hour, that gives you just so much. It reduces a lot of anxiety for sure. And I've been trading for a minute trying to understand. Oh, it's doing this. Oh, it's a reverse. Oh shit. Fucking. I done blow my account so many times, whether it's over leveraging, just panicking. I get a signal, put it in, it's in massive drawdown. Right now I'm in a really good spot. I study my 1 pair. I noticed every Thursday and Friday anyways, the last 3 Thursdays and Fridays, it goes into a sell anyways, so I caught it today, 45 pips. Now the one 2 weeks ago, when it made its drop, AUD USD, I think it was like February 25th. Bro, it was literally like a 300 pip move in one day. But see, and I had to learn my lesson in that, because I missed that move because I was irritated that I took a loss. And then it was consolidating, and I'm like, you know what? Fuck this market. It's about to close anyways. I'm good. Well, Thursday, even though the market closed Friday afternoon, it could still make its moves. You could still make profits Thursday into Friday. And then right around 5 o'clock in the morning, that shit just said all the way down. Missed all of that. And then the same thing last Thursday, Friday. It was like, it was consolidating for a while. I already lost a couple trades. I'm like, man, fuck this, whatever. It's the end of the week. I'm good. I'm not even going to trade. And then as soon as I go back to it, 100 pips straight down. So at least today, caught a good 45 pip trade. But overall, for the whole week, just learning how to trade that 1 pair. It's been a good week so far. So, just going to keep it going. Like I said, I'm not going to overexert myself with looking at too much on the charts. Now regarding NoFap, it's weird. I kind of had another dream again. So I don't know if I'm just thinking about this person or not. Yeah. It was a good dream. Don't get me wrong, but but again, I'm not affected by it. Like oh my god, like I have to actually do something. No, I'm good. I'm very good. But yeah, man. That's literally all I got for today. Like I said, most of my focus has just been working on these charts. Just teaming up with my homeboy. He'll throw some ideas at me because we're both in the process of learning. And then of course I'll analyze his stuff. He'll take a look at mine. He's like, damn, these are some good calls. I'm like, yup. you know, to where we want to get to the point to where, you know, we're just knocking them out. So, hey, shout out to a good week, you know. Hopefully, I mean, next week, markets open on Sundays. I never trade on Sundays, not anymore. At least, no, not. I don't trade Sundays anymore. Last few Sundays I tried doing that, I got destroyed. So I at least wait until Monday morning, you know, kind of let the markets wake up a little bit. You know, let them kind of all do their thing for a few hours, and then I start taking trades. Usually like Monday evening ish, you know, like that's really when I like to get in. But yeah, man. Aside from that, ain't, like I said, ain't too much else going on. Like I said, I had this one intense dream, sexual dream, but it wasn't a wet dream or nothing. It didn't turn to nothing crazy. I mean, I really have not, like, this is crazy. Like, I really have not masturbated or watched porn in like well over 160 something days. Like, this is nuts. I mean, and don't get me wrong, yeah, I got like another, so let me see, so Sunday will make it 165 days, so that means I got 200 days to hit my 1 year. That's dope. That's really, really dope. But yeah, like that's really all I got for today. Alright, so either way, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and of course, don't forget, first thing in the morning, we show gratitude. Alright, we have to show gratitude to the universe, to be very thankful for the life that we have, so we can manifest the life that we want. Alright, and either way, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Here she come on. I'm seeing you over there peeking. I was almost done. Whatever, y'all. And it was funny. The first time she shut up, I think I was wearing this shirt. I think I was. But all right, say bye.
Bye, guys.
All right, later.